Another thing we see sometimes is executives that if you watch them from the outside, it looks like they're fighting over territory. Some people call it silos, but it really looks like fighting over territory. And the problem is, in a lot of cases, is they don't have an overall guiding mission that they're all aiming at. One major thing they're trying to accomplish. And so a lot of times we'll work with companies to develop one thing that the executive team really wants to focus on in the next month, 90 days, 6 months, depending on the organization. So that once they figure out what that is, then who's going to do what becomes easy, and then accountability follows right after that. And suddenly all the silos disappear, all of the territorial part disappears, and if the chief executive manages his meetings correctly, then they'll begin to move forward in a way that he hasn't seen before.